Understanding, I am invincible, a guide to English phrases. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating English phrase, I am invincible. This phrase is not only interesting but also carries a deep meaning. So, if you're ready, let's dive in and unravel the secrets of this powerful statement. Invincible is an adjective that describes something or someone as too powerful to be defeated or overcome. When you say, I am invincible, you're essentially claiming that you're unbeatable, unconquerable, and cannot be subdued. It's a statement of extreme confidence or strength. However, it's important to understand the context in which this phrase is used, as it can vary from literal to metaphorical. In a literal sense, I am invincible might be used in contexts like sports or competitions, where someone feels they cannot be defeated. However, more commonly, it's used in a metaphorical sense. Here, it can express a feeling of being unstoppable or exceptionally resilient in the face of challenges. For example, after overcoming a difficult situation, one might say, I am invincible, to express their strength and determination. The phrase, I am invincible, has been popularized through various cultural references, such as movies, songs, and literature. It's often used to portray characters with extraordinary abilities or unbeatable nature. This cultural aspect makes the phrase more familiar and relatable, but it's crucial to use it appropriately, understanding that it might be seen as boasting or overly confident in everyday conversations. Let's see some examples of how I am invincible can be used in sentences. 1. After winning his 10th match in a row, the boxer exclaimed, I am invincible. 2. In the motivational speech, the speaker said, with hard work and determination, you can feel invincible. 3. In the movie, the superhero declared, I am invincible, as he faced the villain. I am invincible is a powerful English phrase that conveys a sense of unbeatable strength and resilience. Whether used literally or metaphorically, it communicates a strong message of confidence. We hope this video has helped you understand and use this phrase more effectively in your English conversations. Thank you for watching, and remember, with learning and practice, you too can feel invincible in your English language journey.